Hello everyone, this is Ramakrishna Guntapalli. Today we are going to do our lab 2 assignment. Uh, our lab 2 assignment is create an online database management in the playground server by using a PHP MyAdmin. So to do that, in PHP MyAdmin, we need to create 4 tables, which is students, terms, courses and the majors table. So to create these tables, we need to go to the playground server. So go to the Chrome, enter playground.bradley.edu/register and then click enter. It will ask your Bradley username and password. Give your username and password. It will ask the PHP MyAdmin username and password. As I have already, my username already exists on the server, so it will directly ask my username and PHP MyAdmin username and password. So I am giving my username and password. Click on go. Here you can see change password. If you wish to change the password, you can change from here. The previous password which I entered was the randomly generated one, so I am continuing with the random generated one. So if you want to change the password, you can change from here. So I already have created the data 4 tables for my database. If you want to see those tables, click on my name. Here you can see my name. After clicking on it, you can see these are the 4 tables which I have already created. I have created the course table, major table, student table and the term table. So in course table, I have added the major ID and the course number, and in the major table I have added major ID and the major name, and in student table I have added the student ID, student name, email, gender and the major ID. In the term table I have added the student name, ID, course number, term name and the year. So in order to add, I will show you how to add the new table. So for that, so to create the new table, click on new here. It will pop up like this. So now I am creating offerings table. So for that I need to give year. In offerings table we have year, term, and major and the course number, and I need to add one more column and one more row, which is course section. So for that we need to go here. So if you want to add 2 more rows, you need to click 2. If you want to add 3, you can click 3 number and then enter. So now I want only one row, so I have entered 1 and click on go. So you can see that 1 row is added here. So I am creating this as course section. Year is an integer. We need to give what type of it is, and the term is an varchar, and the major is an varchar. Course number is an integer. Course section is an integer. Varchar, each section is an integer. So we need to give the values also. The term is 32, varchar is 32, and the integer is 10, and section is 10. After giving all the name, type and lengths or values, you need to save here. So you can see that offerings table is added to my database. So we need to give values for this term, year, major, course number, course section. So for that we need to go to insert, and just randomly I'm giving some values. 2023, term is spring, major is CS, course number is 591, section is 1, and for second table 2024, fall, major CIS, course number is 555, section is 2. So if we need to add some more columns, already we are having 2 columns, right? So if we want 3 columns, click 3 and click on go. One more column is added here, you can see now. So you can give one more column. I'm giving the values randomly. 2023 May 1, major is CS, course number 575, course section 1. So after entering all these values, click on go. So all the values were here you can see 3 rows are inserted. In browse section you can see that three rows are inserted, which is year, term, major, course number and course section. And in insert and in structure you can see if you want to change the year, term or anything, you can change from here. If you want to drop any of these rows, you can drop from here. And you can see more options like primary, unique, index, spatial, full text. So if you want to give anything as a primary key, you need to click on more and click on primary, and it will ask you that are you wishing to add that particular as a primary key. So click on OK. So you can see that here key is indicated, primary key is shown here. So similarly we need to add, so the offerings table is added here. Similarly we need to create one more table. If you want to create one more table, by clicking on new, we can by clicking on new you can give the name and the type and the values we need to give. Similarly we need to give all the database so that we can create our database. And if we want to remove the database which we have the table which we have created already, we can delete by clicking here, and here you can click on drop and click on, and it will ask you, you really want to delete this offerings table. So yes, we are really want to delete that, so click on OK. So now it will pop up here, MySQL returned as an empty result. So you can see that offerings table which you have created earlier was deleted now. So you can create similarly you can create the database as I have shown now. Thank you.